I'm making a crispy Phyllo Sundae today. It's one of my absolute go-to desserts. It's really easy, very Greek, because everyone associates phyllo pastries with Greek sweets. This one's a little unusual because I'm gonna fry the sheets of phyllo. Even the technique is a little dramatic. This is very easy to do, and I actually love the music. You want to have kitchen tongs when you fry this, and you just lift the sheet out. It's pretty sturdy. I've got a plate lined with paper towels, and I'm going to put another one on top just to absorb some of the oil. And this takes just a few minutes to do. We don't want too much color, kind of just a light blonde. The other trick to this is you don't want the oil too hot, because you don't want to burn the phyllo. It's very, very delicate. So you want it to be just warm enough to crisp the phyllo without giving it too much color too soon. I'm ready to plate this, and you'll see how easy it is to do this. If a little piece breaks off, not to worry. I try to actually break a little bit off so that the phyllo fits inside the plate. We want to get our ice cream on here, and I'm just using plain vanilla. Okay, go right on there. And we want to get our toppings now. So I've got a little bit of halva here. I'm just going to crumble that right over the top. It's just kind of, it's a bit of a flamboyant dessert, but it's really easy. I've got mixed walnuts and hazelnuts here. Some nuts go over the top. Some strawberries for color, but also for nice flavor. A little bit of cinnamon. And a little bit of cinnamon over these phyllo sheets too. I'm gonna crackle those and use them. They're really flaky and crunchy and delicious. And finally, a little bit of honey. Baklava, right? Phyllo, honey, nuts. It's kind of a take on that idea, but made very, very simple. And a little sprig of mint, just for some nice color. And this is our crispy Phyllo Sundae, using a technique that's a little bit unusual for phyllo, but totally within the category of great Greek phyllo desserts. Time to taste this. I want to get a little bit of everything on here. There is a lot going on here. I have an explosion of textures. The crispiness of the phyllo, the crunchiness of the nuts, the tartness of the strawberries, the chewiness of the halva, and that chill, beautiful temperature of the ice cream makes this dessert a total winner. Easy, elegant, very Greek. Enjoy.